It's Good Friday 2014. I'm down by the creek writing a lovely blog post, and I just saw something slither through the rocks. It was kind of yellowy in colour. Now I'm not sure if it was a snake or an eel kind of effort, because I haven't seen it come out the other side, so it's holding its breath. And I do need to walk through there to get back up home. I need to go and grab a drink. Anyway, happy Easter to you all. I hope you're having fun and stay safe. And don't get bitten by any snakes or eels. Well, I made it across. Now I just have to make it back. I didn't see anything.